Today we're taking a look at the WeAre Memory Keeper's Euro Power Punch, or at least this is how they call it on Amazon. Right now it's at 19 US dollars, and I think it does quite a good job at what it's supposed to do. And what it's supposed to do? Well, it's supposed to create a hole of this shape. It's great for stores or if you want to hang stuff on a pegboard, whatever. And I'll demonstrate how it works. So it comes with two rubber handles, which is quite handy and comfortable. Here we have a lock, as you can see. So when you're not using it, you can just slip it like this and it won't open up, so it's more compact in your drawers. Unlock it just like this. And also it has quite a handy feature. It's this small guide right here. What does it do is, I'll show you. It helps you making the same the hole on the paper at the same spot every time. So let's say I wanted to have it here. Well, you'll set up this small plastic thing this way. If you want it to be closer to the border, you just have to slide it, and this way the punch will be made quite closer to the border, and every time it will be at the same distance. To make it work, it's quite simple. You just have to slide it and to press. It works with thicker cardboards like this one. This one is 130 pounds cardstock. It's very thick. So, and I think it can go even with thicker cardboard. You see, it worked quite easily on this one. So I won't be surprised if it works with 150, 160 pounds cardboard. Here we have a regular cardboard from a box. And this is very easy since it's not this thick. You see, it creates a perfectly, the shape is really nicely done here. And obviously you can take a piece of regular paper and it will work too, but I don't know why you would want to do this really, since if you hang it, it will probably tear the paper. At the end, when you're done, you need to open this, wait a second, here we go. You need to open this plastic flap. And here you have to empty it. And it fills up quite quickly. This is probably the only bad side of this one. So if you're cutting, thick cardboard, I suggest you empty it after three holes. But otherwise, I'm quite happy. The handles seems to be sturdy, and I like it's made of metal, and it seems that it will last quite a long time. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and give us a like if you enjoyed my mini review.